Welcome to day 8 of our Squishies and Slime Advent Calendar. Our brother Jordan's not here today, but we're still here representing, and we even have our elf on the shelf, Rosebud Lixie. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, make sure you go check them out. We will leave a link to the playlist in the description down below. Let's do this. Okay, so it's day 8 and Olivia's opening it, so let me grab it. Wait, okay. Now open. Another glitter slime. It's a reindeer slime. Ooh, and we got cakes, Squishies, bundt cake. We got a bundt cake one, and there's an Olivia has one. It looks like
what is that?
I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm not sure. It looks like an hors d'oeuvre maybe, or like a bowl of soup. I'm not quite sure. Okay, Olivia, do you want to open the Squishies or the slime?
The slime.
I guess she loved the Santa slime so much that she wants to open this one.
Santa slime.
From Michael's, I think.
No,
Do you want me to open it for you?
I don't.
Wrong way.
I know. Whoa, dear.
Whoa.
I just say it.
Can you make a swirl with it?
Let's try.
No, you can't make a swirl with this one.
I need it, please. I'm putting a circle on it, and then I take it out there. It's still one normal. I need to twist, and then it's a circle, and then I mess it up.
Looks cool. Looks like Slimer.
Yes. It's a big blob.
Slimer is green, and I usually didn't see the real
It looks
slime.
really weird. It looks like a really, when it's all together, it looks like a really bright green, but then when it's just a little piece, it looks like really light. It's a jiggly slime.
No.
I'm gonna open this bundt cake first. Okay. It doesn't, it smells okay. Okay, so what I did realize is that this squishy is one of the sticky squishies, so it like sticks to you when you squish it, but I like that, to be honest, personally. Then it had this little star on it, and it smells sort of like vanilla. It smells like a macaroon almost. It smells good, better than other ones. I like it considering it's a small squishy. Okay, now let's open up this bowl of soup or something.
Jello.
Yeah, it could be Jello.
But
It kind of looks like a mix of ketchup and mustard when I eat my chicken nuggets sometimes.
I just
Hello.
stars out.
I'm a talking bowl.
I'm a talking.
We can put the slime in here. So we gotta take it here and nicely place it. Oh no, we have too much. We don't want our soup to overflow. It's like a split pea clear soup. We have a yellow bundt cake with some sprinkles in the star icing. And we have some split pea soup. Don't mind the hair.
Guys.
Squishies and slime.
Guys.
Bring on my calendar. Ah! Okay, so it is day 8, so we need to find day 8 first. There it is. It's kind of hard to get to it. Her next career is baking. we gotta get her dressed into this.
Is that Barbie?
Yay, she got a new dress on.
Hi, Barbie.
Let her do the fashion
I'm on
show.
top of your house.
No, get off.
I'm on top of your house.
Okay, so let's do a fashion show. Okay, so I like this dress, but I think that this part was the front, but it's not. I tried it and it's not the front. And it's really scrunchy here.
And now she has stuff to bake.
Yeah, you need a little shoes in there. Then mix, mix, mix with your feet. And then, hooray, this is what you get. Yeah, she's not the best baker. I tried telling her a lot. Tried telling her that it's toxic, but she just won't listen to me. Hey, Daddy, can you mail me Jordan's advent calendar, please? I need it ASAP. Yay, it got here. Good job, Daddy. Okay, so number 8 is right there. Let me get on this side. Oh, that's cool. It's like some kind of toolbox. Let me put it together. So I got it built finally. It wasn't that hard. I think we should get Jordan's guys out. Pew, 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 pew. Ooh. No, you found out my real identity, Bruce Wayne. Olivia's thing is gonna drop in 3,
1,
2, Taco! Wait, 1! Ah, that was too early! Okay, so it's day 8. Open it, Olivia. You gotta let them see it.
Where is it?
Right there. I'm excited to see what it is. Oh, it's a castle. It's like a little chocolate castle. Here you go.
No, and this
Mannequin dollar.
And mine is doing right
Ooh, what
here.
is it? Is it like a chocolate castle?
Yes, it is a chocolate castle.
It looks so delicious. I really want to eat it. I wonder if it's like hollow and it's
Come
not
on,
solid
Barbie,
chocolate.
eat this chocolate cake.
All this stuff on this table will be gone in 3, 2, 1. It's gone! What? Is it raining squishies? Squishy shower!
Squishy shower.
Where did that come from? Well, all I know is that I love these squishies.
I know for too.
Well, guys, that's a wrap for day 8. Don't forget to like if you like our advent calendar and leave us a comment which one of our toys we got today was your favorite. And I want to know what days have been your favorite so far. Don't forget to subscribe and watch all our other videos. Make sure to come back tomorrow and check out day 9. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.
Bye guys, see you tomorrow when it's another day. You're gonna come to our house and sleep over.
Bye guys.